night, everyone. Let's go straight to the results for the Jamaica Atlhletics Invitational that's happening tonight at the National Stadium in Kingston. So let's begin with the 100-meter hurdles. We have Toby, who held off Daniel Williams to win the 100-meter hurdles in 12.40 seconds. Now Daniel got second place in 12.46. For the 200-meter, we have Zarnell Hughes getting his season's best in 19.96. So he won the 200-meter for men, and you have Fred Curley getting second place. Now our Jamaican cousin, Asha Smith, she won the 200-meter in 22.51 seconds. So that's the winnings for Asha Smith. In the 400-meter, we have Matthew Hudson. He got the winnings in 44.69 seconds. For the 400-meter hurdles, we have one of our favorites, Rochelle Clayton. She won in 53.72 seconds. It's a world lead and the fastest season opener for her. Now, Brianna Lyson, she got her new personal best of 10.91 to win the women's 100-meter final. Now, she is the first Jamaican to run under 11 seconds this season, and that's at not the Jamaica Invitational, but at the SEC Outdoor Championships, 2 events happening tonight. So continuing with the SEC Championships, we have Nikisha Price, 400-meter winner in 49.32 seconds. Now we're waiting for the results for the 100-meter finals at the Jamaica Atlhletics Invitational. So we'll update you on that via community, or we'll do another video. Shakara Richardson was also spotted at the Jamaica Atlhletics. She's not taking part in any of the events, but she showed up to support the ladies and the males. So that's it. That's it for the results. We went straight to the results to give you as promised. There are several channels that do have the rights to show the races, so we'll link them as soon as they put them up. So that's it for now, guys. You have a blessed one. Big up yourself.